Hello, this is my language homework review, Q3-3. We start on Monday with the list of words that we'll use this week. Which word means flowing writing? I'm going to look at the list of words in cursive. Label the part of speech for each underlined word. Wait is an interjection. I want to go to is a preposition. The movies with you, and movies is a noun. Correct the sentence by adding commas. Don't forget your paintbrush, paints, and smock when you come to art class. This is commas in a series. Paintbrush, paints, and smock. Simile or metaphor. She is as good as gold at playing soccer. I see as and as, so I know that this is a simile. She is as good as gold. She is very good. Tell if the underlined verb is perfect past, present, or future. That means, is it past perfect, present perfect, or future perfect? She will have lived, and I know with the helping verbs will have, and then the past form of the verb, it has to be future perfect. I'm going to circle so it has future and perfect. Look for shifts in verb tense. Tell if the shift is correct or appropriate or incorrect or inappropriate. Tammy writes about animals because she liked them. This one is in present tense, and then we have past tense. And although we can have verbs that are in different tenses, in this case, they are not happening in the same time. The verbs are not in the same time as when it actually happens. So this is an incorrect shift in verb tense or inappropriate shift in verb tense. Write the meaning of the root leg, lig, lect. Means to pick or to read. We'll be moving on to Tuesday. Which words have a root that means run or go? I'm going to look over here in the Monday column. Which words? Cursive, concur, corridor, and one more. Which word best completes the sentence? Word out of the box. I concur. Which word or phrase best completes the sentence? I slept late this morning. Consequently, I ended up missing the bus. It was a consequence of sleeping late. Which word can mean a type of metal and to go first with followers? Copper is a type of metal. Lead is a type of metal. And lead can mean to go first with followers. Lead or lead. What does the adage or proverb mean? The squeaky wheel gets the grease. It means that sometimes you need to speak up to get what you need. Complete the sentence with the correct perfect past tense verb, perfect past. The basketball player, and we have the verb there, score. The helping verb I use with perfect past is had. The past tense of score is scored. The basketball player had scored over 200 points last season. Look for shifts in verb tense. Tell if the sentence is correct or incorrect. I answered the questions as I looked over the story. This happened at the same period of time, and both verbs are in past tense. So this is correct. Make a list of words with leg, lig, and lect. Look in the box at the top. Election, legend, collect. All right, and we will pause here if you are not finished and ready to move on to Wednesday. Wednesday column. Which words have a prefix that means water? Hydroelectric. Hydro means water. Aquatic. And hydraulic. Which word from our Monday box means moved or operated by water? Hydraulic, the one we just wrote in the top. Improve the sentence by expanding, combining, or reducing. Riley is my friend. We are in the same class. I see two sentences, so I need to combine them. This is something that I can combine with a comma and the conjunction and. Let's read it to check. Riley is my friend, and we are in the same class. But we do not need this capital W. We'll cross it out and have lowercase. Very nice. Rewrite the title using the correct formatting, The Dark Side, and it tells you that is a book chapter. A book chapter is a smaller work, so I'm going to put quotation marks. Circle the pronunciation of the word envy. We have a dictionary entry here in the box. The pronunciation is right here, envy. Tell if the underlined verb is perfect past, perfect present, or perfect future. Nathan had asked his teacher to visit the library. I look at the helping verb, had, and that tells me that it is perfect past. Look for shifts in verb tense. Tell if the sentence is correct or incorrect. We are raising money because we wanted to help. Both of these take place in the same time period, but we have are raising, which is present, and then wanted, which is past tense. So this is an incorrect shift in verb tense. Write the meaning of the underlined word. We had an election to choose our president. An election is the process of voting to choose a winner. So we'll put voting to choose a winner. If you have not completed Thursday, please pause here. Thursday. Which words have a prefix that means apart, indifferent? Different. Diverse. Disapprove. Which word best completes the sentence? I'm looking in the box. I disapprove of your choice. Where does the comma go? Also, we could go to the park. It goes right after this introduction also. Which word could replace the underlined word? The pasta was so bland, the dog wouldn't eat it. Yes, tasteless. Which definition of envy is being used in the sentence? You're going to refer to the dictionary entry. I envy her ability to dance. Is that a feeling of angry desire because of someone else's possessions? They could have a feeling of angry desire about her ability to dance. Desire to have something belonging to someone else. I think the best fit here is definition number 2, a desire to have something belonging to someone else. Complete the sentence with the correct perfect future tense verb. It tells you perfect future. The helping verb that goes with that is will have. So I'm going to go ahead and write that in the line. And then I always use the past tense form of the verb when we're working in perfect tense. So it will be visited. By the end of the year, Emily will have visited me 10 times. Look for shifts in verb tense. Tell if the sentence is correct or incorrect. I write poems about people I will love. I write is in present tense. Will love is in future tense, and these are both happening in the same time period. So this is an incorrect shift in verb tense. Write the meaning of the underlined word. If you write neatly, your handwriting will be more legible. Legible means it's capable of being read. Capable of being read. And that's our review of My Language Homework 3-3.